Hey humans!
And welcome back to another YouTube video, where today we have ta-da, a slime kit. Do-it-yourself slime kit.
Dollar.
$2.
$5 what you must. I find it so funny. You just looking at me.
Oh guys, it's so funny, right? Should we just open it?
Yeah. This is the first time I'm opening it, so.
Yes. Ooh.
Oh, interesting containers.
Mixing. This isn't a jar, this is a plastic jar. I'm just gonna say that. Okay. Ooh. They smell. It's fine.
Ooh.
Glitter. The stuff gets everywhere. Do you want to show them closer? We also need hot water, apparently.
Yeah,
Warm water.
we did get some. Oh, it's hot.
Why don't you just hold it by the handle then?
I did. The one hand was on the handle, the one hand was on the side. Okay. So,
Okay.
it says,
This is a two-step process.
first you make the activated solution and then you make the slime mixing instructions. To make the activated solution, fill the activated jar halfway with warm water. I'm so genius.
You are so genius, yes.
Basically halfway, it's fine.
You are so genius.
Okay, it's fine. I know what I'm saying. Okay, then it says add activated borax powder to this warm water.
All of it.
Yes. It doesn't tell you how much.
Are we
so-
making all of our slime? Can you store
You
slime?
can store borax and you can store slime. What?
No, so can
You
we
can
store
store
slime?
slime. May as well make the whole thing. I mean, you can't really fit the whole thing in there, so might need a bigger thing to mix it in, but I don't think we need that much right now. That's so much borax. How would I
Just all of it.
I don't know, it's gonna be too strong.
Okay, we're gonna just add it all. Learn as you go. Make mistakes, but that's how you're supposed to do things, right? Also, apparently planes fly over here a lot, which is why you always hear them in my videos. It may also have to do with the time that I film videos, but I don't know. So, how's the weather? Nice. The weather's pretty good here too.
Yeah, that should be fine. Now add the cold water.
Wow.
That's quite a lot.
Well, it does say 1.5 liters.
Fill mixing jar halfway with slime glue. Okay, then it says slowly add small amounts of the activated solution while stirring vigorously with the sucker stick until the slime develops, mixing in the slime that creeps up the stick. Anything happening? Not really.
Kinda.
Okay.
Okay, Okay, yes.
Give it a
Now,
break.
now something. Oh my lord. Oh. What is
Just mix.
I'm mixing? Like there's liquid, but then there's the slime. Oh god.
Okay, wait, pause. Luca! Not that vigorous.
Oh,
What?
it's so weird.
What do you mean it's so weird? Slime.
No, this isn't like slime.
There's definitely something happening.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, just don't move your hand. Don't put it in like that. Just don't move it. Dude, why? Why does your hand do this?
Why do you think
Okay, rub your hands together. Not like that. How does it melt in your hands? Really? What is going on? Can someone please explain to us what is wrong with Luke's hands? Because I honestly don't know. I think it's just because his hands are so warm.
Going to now add the colouring and the glitter. Right, Sam?
Yep. How much?
Just a little bit.
No, on your own nose. See if it's still there at the end of tomorrow.
Is there a lot?
Yeah, there's. No, there's not that much, but it's.
Look at this. Wow.
I've never seen slime stick to someone's hand as it did to yours today, Luke.
Oh, I'm dripping some on the table. Oh, I got the.
I did!
Ooh, cool. So you're creating the content.
This is called ASMR.
I kind of got the stick actually.
What do your hands look like? Check mine. Okay, let me make a swirl.
I got the stick stuck to me.
Luke, I'll help you now. Let me just make my swirl. Just watch my swirl, please.
Okay, I'm watching.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying that?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Very clicky.
Yeah. So, do you think we can end our video here, huh?
Yeah. We will try and get this off of Luke's hands.
Let's give it a rating. What would you give it?
I think it's very nice. For
From
store-bought slime,
A to F.
I'll probably give it a B+.
B plus.
Just because there's not that much stuff included in the kit. Like you can only make like...
Yeah.
But there's a lot.
Personally, I think I'm going to give this a C plus.
Because of your hands.
Just because I don't really know how to use the slime. This just happens.
And then you get my hands. Feel the difference. Mine's cold. Yours is hot.
How is yours so cold? See, look.
It's coming off. Quickly play with it. Fine, I got it. Okay, now put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
And also, I'd just like to update you on our bouncy ball video. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to change our ranking
Yeah.
from whatever it was we gave last time
To a
an F,
zero.
to an F, a 0, because the balls
Have gone hard.
and have not retained their bounciness. So unfortunately, it's a fail for bouncy balls. But this is a good C+. The help of Hannah's cold hands and cold slime.
My hands aren't usually cold. It's just like slime makes my hands cold. I don't know. Okay, I want to try and make a bubble with the whole thing of slime.
Okay. Yeah. And then after this, we'll end the video. So
Enjoy.
yes, remember to like, comment, subscribe, all the things, right, Anne?
Yep.
All the things. We hope to see you all next time. Goodbye.